Alright, on to improper integrals, example 3. Again, I have an integral with its top limit is infinity, so I'm going to have to rewrite this. It's the limit as t approaches infinity of 0 to t of x e to the negative 3x dx. And I immediately see that I have two completely separate functions being multiplied together. This is going to be an integration by parts. So if I let my u be x and my dv be e to the negative 3x, then my du is going to be dx, and my v will be e to the negative 3x over 3. Negative e to the negative 3x over 3. No d. Okay. So ultraviolet minus voodoo. So it's going to be, I'll just keep my limit hanging out here. Ultra, u, v, minus v du. Okay. I see that's plus. Then I'm going to integrate this. I'm going to clean this up just a bit. Limit t approaches infinity. I'm going to make that as a negative 1/3 x e to the negative 3x plus the 1/3 I'm going to go ahead and pull out. So I'm going to integrate this. It'd be e to the negative 3x divided by negative 3. So times e to the negative 3x over negative 3. Clean it up a little more. Equals the limit as t approaches infinity of, I'm going to rewrite this as follows. Negative 1x over 3e to the 3x. Why am I doing this like this? Because it's easier to do the limit. It just makes more sense. Plus, nope, minus, because that's a negative times a positive, minus 1/9 e to the negative 3x. And this is going from 0, somewhere along here I lost my 0 to t. 0 to t, 0 to t. The whole thing's going from 0 to t. 0 to t, 0 to t. So now I'm going to evaluate it. That's going to be, and again, just pretend the limit follows. Woo, limit. Okay, fine, I'll just write it. As t approaches infinity, and I'm going to need a whole nother line. Let's don't put it here. Let's put it here. The limit as t approaches infinity of, I'm going to fill my t in, negative 1t over 3e to the 3t minus 1, I'm going to go ahead and move that down to 9e to the negative 3t minus, filling in my 0, negative 1 times 0 over 3e to the 3 times 0 minus 1 over 9e to the negative 3 times 0. Okay. And now I take my limit. Well, each thing individually. I guess I could clean this up. Don't worry about it. Let's just clean up. Let's just take the limit of each thing individually. I see that the top is growing faster than the bottom, and e to the 3x is going to grow a whole lot faster than just an x. So this is going to go to 0. Okay, and if that doesn't make sense to you, you probably want to go back and look at your limit rules. And hey, look, when I brought that down, I did not make it positive. Oops. Okay, so this one, again, if I fill in infinity here, this is going to grow a lot bigger than 1. So the bottom is bigger than the top, so it's 0. Minus negative 1 times 0 is 0 over 3, which is 0, minus 1 over 9, e to the 0 is 1, so it's just minus 1/9. So this is 0 minus negative 1/9, which is going to be a positive 1/9, and that is my answer. Yay, it took me a little bit to get there, but I am there.